the forgotten herb that can restore kidney function naturally. Did you know that there are powerful natural herbs out there that can support kidney function and even help prevent common kidney problems like stones or infections? In this video, we'll be exploring 10 incredible herbs that can help restore and maintain healthy kidney function. From herbs like Chanca Piedra, known as the stone breaker, to the amazing golden seal, which can help with detoxification, and we've got you covered with a wealth of natural remedies that have been used for centuries to support kidney health. If you're someone who wants to support your kidneys naturally, or just interested in learning more about how to take care of these vital organs, then you're in the right place. These herbs are all natural, often easily accessible, and can be a great addition to your wellness routine. So grab a seat, get comfortable, and let's dive into the top 10 forgotten herbs that could change the way you care for your kidneys. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, because you won't want to miss out on all the tips and tricks we've got lined up for you. Number 1. Chanca Piedra. Chanca Piedra, also known as Philanthus neruri, is a powerful herb often referred to as the stone breaker due to its remarkable ability to support kidney function. For centuries, indigenous communities in the Amazon and other parts of the world have used this plant as a natural remedy to help eliminate kidney stones and improve overall kidney health. The name stone breaker isn't just a catchy title, it's rooted in its traditional use for dissolving kidney stones and flushing them out of the body. What makes Chanca Piedra stand out is its unique combination of bioactive compounds, including flavonoids, lignans, and alkaloids, that have been shown to promote kidney detoxification, reduce inflammation, and even improve urine flow. But that's not all. Research has also indicated that it may help protect the kidneys from further damage by supporting their ability to filter toxins effectively. This herb may even have the power to prevent the formation of kidney stones by inhibiting the crystallization of calcium oxalate, the primary substance responsible for stone development. Beyond kidney health, Chanca Piedra also supports liver function and has demonstrated antiviral and antioxidant properties. Whether used as a tea, tincture, or supplement, Chanca Piedra is an exceptional natural tool for anyone looking to support their kidney health and prevent kidney-related issues. So if you're looking for a natural way to keep your kidneys in top shape, Chanca Piedra may be the answer. Number 2. Golden seal. Golden seal, or Hydrastis canadensis, is a potent herb that has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries, revered for its many health benefits, and particularly for its powerful effect on the liver and kidneys. This herb, native to North America, contains an active compound called berberine, which is responsible for much of its medicinal properties. Golden seal has been used historically by Native American tribes as a remedy for a wide range of ailments, from digestive issues to infections, and it continues to be valued for its kidney-supporting effects. When it comes to kidney health, golden seal is particularly prized for its ability to enhance detoxification processes. Its antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties help cleanse the body of harmful toxins, promoting overall kidney function. Studies have shown that golden seal can help regulate the flow of urine, allowing the kidneys to better filter out waste products. But its benefits don't stop there. Golden seal also strengthens the immune system, which can be especially important for kidney health, as a healthy immune response can prevent infections that may harm the kidneys. Additionally, the herb is often used to improve circulation, which can, in turn, improve kidney perfusion, ensuring that these vital organs receive an adequate blood supply for proper function. Whether used as a tea, tincture, or supplement, golden seal's ability to detoxify and support kidney function makes it an essential addition to any natural health regimen. And its versatility and long history of use make it a trusted ally in the fight to maintain healthy kidneys and a robust overall system. Golden seal's reputation as a detoxifier extends beyond just the kidneys. It has been known to support the liver and digestive systems as well. This holistic action makes it a great choice for individuals who are seeking overall health and wellness. The herb's strong antimicrobial properties can also help fight off infections, especially urinary tract infections, UTIs, which are known to affect the kidneys and urinary system. By preventing bacterial growth and promoting the body's natural healing processes, Golden Seal ensures that the kidneys remain in optimal condition. Additionally, its antioxidant properties help combat oxidative stress, which is a contributing factor in kidney damage. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress can lead to kidney disease, and Golden Seal's ability to reduce these factors makes it a protective herb for the kidneys over time. It's important to note that, while Golden Seal is a powerful and beneficial herb, it should be used cautiously, particularly in large doses, and as it can interact with medications and cause side effects if overused. As with any supplement, consulting with a healthcare professional is key to ensuring it's the right fit for your health needs. When used properly, however, Golden Seal offers an excellent, natural way to support kidney health, aid in detoxification, and bolster your body's immune defenses. Its rich history in traditional medicine and proven efficacy make it a must-try herb for anyone looking to enhance their kidney function and overall well-being. Number 3. Ginger. Ginger, a well-known spice used in kitchens worldwide, also offers significant benefits for kidney health. This powerful herb has long been used in traditional medicine for its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and detoxifying properties. When it comes to the kidneys, ginger can help improve circulation, which is vital for proper kidney function. It enhances blood flow to the kidneys, ensuring that they receive the necessary nutrients and oxygen to filter waste effectively. Ginger also contains compounds like gingerol and shogaol, which are known for their antioxidant effects. These compounds help reduce oxidative stress in the body, which can otherwise contribute to kidney damage over time. Moreover, ginger's anti-inflammatory properties are essential in preventing kidney inflammation, which is a common precursor to kidney disease. It also helps in reducing the levels of blood sugar, which is important because high blood sugar can lead to kidney problems, especially in individuals with diabetes. Regular consumption of ginger, whether fresh, powdered, or as a tea, can support kidney health and help maintain overall bodily function. It's an excellent natural option for anyone looking to keep their kidneys in top shape. Number 4. Horsetail. Horsetail, Equisetum arvense, is a remarkable herb that has been used for centuries for its healing properties, particularly for the kidneys. One of its most important benefits is its natural diuretic effect, which helps to increase urine production and flush out excess toxins from the kidneys and urinary system. This diuretic action can help reduce water retention and lower the risk of kidney stones by ensuring that the kidneys are regularly cleaned of waste products. Horsetail is also rich in silica, a mineral that supports the health of connective tissues, including those in the kidneys. The silica content in horsetail helps to strengthen the kidney's filtration system, making them more efficient in removing toxins and waste from the body. Additionally, horsetail's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties can help protect the kidneys from damage caused by free radicals and chronic inflammation. It also promotes better kidney function by improving blood flow and supporting the body's natural detoxification processes. Whether consumed as a tea or supplement, horsetail is a fantastic herb for those looking to support their kidney health naturally. Number 5. Dandelion root. Dandelion root, Taraxacum officinale, is often seen as a pesky weed, but it has been used for centuries as a powerful herbal remedy for various health issues, especially kidney health. Dandelion root has potent diuretic properties, which promote increased urine production, helping the kidneys flush out waste, toxins, and excess water from the body. This natural detoxifying effect can reduce the burden on the kidneys and prevent the buildup of harmful substances. Dandelion root also contains high levels of potassium, which helps balance electrolytes in the body, ensuring the kidneys maintain proper function. The herb's anti-inflammatory properties can also help reduce swelling and pain in the kidneys, especially in cases of kidney infections or inflammation. Moreover, dandelion root supports liver function, which in turn supports kidney detoxification. The combination of these benefits makes dandelion root an excellent herb for promoting kidney health, reducing the risk of kidney stones, and improving overall kidney function. Consuming dandelion root as a tea, tincture, or supplement can be an effective way to harness its full benefits. Number 6. Astragalus. Astragalus membranaceus, is an herb with a long history in traditional Chinese medicine, where it has been used to support the immune system, improve energy levels, and enhance overall vitality. When it comes to kidney health, Astragalus is known for its ability to protect the kidneys from damage, especially in individuals with chronic kidney disease. It helps to strengthen the kidneys and improve their function by promoting better blood circulation, which is essential for kidney filtration. Astragalus also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which protect the kidneys from oxidative stress and inflammation that could otherwise lead to damage or disease. Moreover, it may help prevent the progression of kidney disease by reducing proteinuria, a condition where excess protein is found in the urine, a common sign of kidney damage. Studies have shown that astragalus can slow the decline of kidney function in individuals with chronic kidney disease and may even help regenerate kidney tissue. This makes it a valuable herb for maintaining kidney health and supporting long-term kidney function. Number 7. Cranberry. Cranberry, Vaccinium macrocarpon, is widely recognized for its ability to support urinary tract health, but its benefits extend to the kidneys as well. Cranberries are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids and vitamin C, which help combat oxidative stress and protect kidney tissue from damage. Cranberry extract has been shown to reduce the risk of urinary tract infections, UTIs, which can quickly escalate into kidney infections if left untreated. The active compounds in cranberries prevent harmful bacteria from adhering to the walls of the urinary tract, reducing the chances of infection and promoting overall kidney health. Additionally, cranberry is known to help reduce the formation of kidney stones, particularly calcium oxalate stones, by preventing the crystallization of minerals that lead to stone formation. Regular consumption of cranberry juice or supplements can be a natural and effective way to keep your kidneys functioning properly, especially in individuals prone to UTIs or kidney stones. Number 8. Nettle. Nettle, Urtica dioica, is a powerful herb that has been used for centuries to treat a variety of health issues, including kidney problems. Nettle has natural diuretic properties that help increase urine output, which is essential for flushing out toxins and reducing the strain on the kidneys. It also has anti-inflammatory effects, which can be beneficial in treating kidney conditions like glomerulonephritis, where inflammation of the kidneys occurs. Nettle also contains a wide range of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that support kidney function and overall health. For example, nettle is rich in iron, magnesium, and vitamin C, which contribute to the proper functioning of the kidneys and help fight oxidative stress. Additionally, nettle may help manage blood pressure, which is important for kidney health, as high blood pressure can lead to kidney damage over time. Whether used in teas, capsules, or tinctures, nettle is an excellent herb for supporting kidney health, detoxifying the body, and reducing inflammation. Number 9. Turmeric. Turmeric, Curcuma longa, is well known for its vibrant yellow color and its use in cooking, but it also holds a prominent place in traditional medicine, especially for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, is what gives this herb its potent healing powers. When it comes to kidney health, turmeric works wonders by reducing inflammation, which is crucial in preventing kidney disease and supporting healthy kidney function. Chronic inflammation can lead to kidney damage over time, and curcumin's powerful anti-inflammatory properties help to mitigate this risk. Turmeric also has antioxidant properties, which protect kidney cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. In addition, turmeric has been shown to support better blood circulation, which can help ensure that the kidneys receive the nutrients they need to function optimally. Incorporating turmeric into your diet or taking it as a supplement can be a great way to support kidney health and prevent kidney-related issues in the long run. Number 10. Reishi mushroom. Reishi mushroom, Ganoderma lucidum, has been celebrated for thousands of years in traditional Chinese medicine for its immune-boosting properties and its ability to promote overall health and longevity. This medicinal mushroom is particularly beneficial for kidney health due to its ability to reduce inflammation, support detoxification, and protect against oxidative stress. Reishi has been shown to improve kidney function by enhancing blood circulation and supporting the kidney's ability to filter toxins effectively. Its adaptogenic properties help the body cope with stress, which is crucial since chronic stress can negatively impact kidney function. Additionally, reishi has been found to support immune health, which is important in preventing kidney infections and other kidney-related diseases. The mushroom's ability to enhance the body's natural healing processes makes it a valuable herb for anyone looking to maintain healthy kidneys. Whether consumed as a tea, extract, or supplement, reishi mushroom is a powerful ally in promoting kidney health and overall well-being. Summary. And that wraps up today's video on the 10 amazing herbs that can help restore and support your kidney function naturally. I hope you found this information helpful and that you're inspired to explore some of these herbs for your own health journey. If you learned something new today, or if you have any experience with these herbs, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Drop a comment below to share your personal experiences, or let us know if there are any other herbs you'd recommend for kidney health. We love hearing from you and always appreciate your input. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss a video. Take care of your kidneys, and as always, stay healthy, stay natural, and I'll see you in the next video.